All right, everyone, I just wanted to give an update on my movie theater. I've been working on this the last couple days because I'm waiting for some track and ballast to come in for the other module I'm working on that is going to be opposite this one. So anyway, this structure originally had 4 windows across the top, and I needed to fill these 2 in. So what I chose to do for that was the back side. I cut out a section of bricks here, and I inset the doors here. I got the idea for insetting those doors from the Ottawa Municipal Auditorium. There's some service doors on that building that are inset into the building, so it kind of gives it a small overhang, protects the entrance. And that the back of this building originally had a bunch of ladders that went from the roof all the way down, and whatever platform was up here or framework was gone. This was a broken structure that was given to me. So I wanted to do something a little more creative with it. So what I did was I built a stairway entrance to the upper level. So, and the source of my materials for that is if you look down, let's see if we can get a good shot at the surface. The surface is actually evergreen V-groove, so that it'll look like wood planks, and I mismeasured, so I had to patch that in. So anyway, but the railings, the staircase and all that is part of this set. HO scale steps and ladders, super detailed, from www.cvmw.com. This is a really great kit of ladders and such. So this is what I had. I took one. You get like 4 sections of this in that package. So these ladders here are stairs. Those are these stairs here. These railings around the top, those are actually made from this ladder right here. I just put them horizontal, cut them to size. And then the railings here were trimmed down, and you can see them on the outside and the inside edge there, and then underneath. And that's how I did that. And then I used square styrene to frame the rest of it. And I've got a little booger of a curve on that. I'm going to have to fix that. So that's going to be all painted flat black, or I might paint it. For some reason I'm thinking dark green might look really good on that. So anyway, so I still have to install those doors there and there, and the big warehouse door there. So and I took a section of the old ladder and I kind of built it out like that, and this is going to mount right about so, and there is a trim that goes around here, and then when the ladder comes up here, I have these little pieces that arch over the top, and those are going to be connected to that ladder and going to the rooftop. So that's how I'm going to connect the rooftop to all that, and all this yucky stuff that's on the frame, or on the brick building. I'm hoping to detract away from that, but I did some sanding and I didn't want to ruin the brick finish. So anyway, so that's the back of the structure. The top of the structure here had, there there were a lot of blemishes on the rooftop here. So I decided to paint them flat black. So it kind of looks like there was patchwork or repair work done on the roof of the structure. So, and let's take a look at the side. Now this is the front. This is the, let's see, the left side of the building as you're facing it from the front. And we got the signs promoting the photo drama of creation. We've got some slides here. And I've got the barber sign that goes along with Logan's Barbershop right here. And originally this structure, like I said, I got it broken and I had to fix it. And these were, I think, a couple different stores. So I made one a barbershop, named it after my friend Logan, and the other side a bicycle shop. Decided to call it Pioneer Bicycles. And there's more details I'm going to add to the outside here. So when we go here to the right side of the structure, here's a little bicycle shop sign to go with my bike shop here, and then some more photo drama stuff. Now the front has been quite a challenge for me. Where did my little sign go? Oh, here it is. Okay, I wanted to create this to look like the Plaza Theater in Ottawa, Kansas. And this was going to fit right here. But it doesn't work for me in a few different ways. On the back, you'll see I mounted it to a frosted plastic. The only problem, it's not really plastic. I used spray adhesive to mount the Plaza sign to it, but it's acrylic or something different. Super glue isn't working on it, nor model glue. So I'm going to end up redoing this, and I can't get the styrene to follow the curves like this. So I'm going to have to straighten the edges here. I'm going to have to reprint this, recut it, and mount it to a piece of clear, sandwich a piece of this frosting between that and another piece of clear, and then frame it out. And then I've got some red LEDs that will fit up here behind it or inside of it, and the intention is for it to flash red, have red like a red neon shining through there. So anyway, just thought you'd all like to see an update of my theater, how it's progressing, and as I get it painted, I will post another update. But otherwise, this is like the second update on the theater, or the first video update. So I will catch up with y'all later.